Hey guys and gals, I know that there's a lot of videos out there on how to do bumper repair. These tabs get broken, and this particular one I'm working on here. But what I wanted to point out is before you get started on any of these bumper repair tab things, is that you want to check these little clips down in here, and if those are broken, you're gonna have to replace the support here, and a lot of times they're held on by these little pop rivets, or this one has actually two, and you're gonna probably need to replace that bracket if there's one down in there, another bolt. But I'm doing my repair a little bit differently. I'm putting a, let's see if I can get a focus here. It's like a backing plate that I made out of cardboard, and then I put a piece of double-sided tape on there, and then I'm going to put the, I put a little insert in there, cut out a little chiclet. And then I'll put a piece of another foil backing type of cardboard material on top of that and clamp it down real quick. But this really isn't a tutorial about that, but you really just to check these, make sure that your bracket's in good shape. And what I did was I sanded down the area out about a 1/4 inch, or probably more like 3/4 to an inch on either side of this repair that I'm going to do. And what I'm going to use is this quick set JB Weld, 5 minutes. I don't want to wait 2 hours to do this. So then this can be covered over with just some paint. You're not really going to see it. And I would wipe this down with alcohol or something and then just let it dry. I've seen some videos where they say not to do that. But there's a lot of dust and everything. You want a good adhesion on there. But definitely you want to get all the paint off of here if you're going to do a glue job on this. And anyway, I only have one to do, but I just wanted to point out that these tabs here can break, and if they're broken, you're not going to have any, it's not going to click in there on your tabs. So just wanted to point that out. I know there's a lot of videos out there already, but this is just my technique. The auto body shop, what they did was they just put some glue on there and called it good. So I guess I get to take care of this. But yeah, you want to mask off a little bit too, and then so you're not dripping over on the rest of the bumper. But I know that some of these bumpers cost quite a bit of money, and this might save you some trouble if you just check what you have here. And but there's little bolts that go, or screws that go in the side here usually. Most of them are kind of the same. There's 3 all the way down, and good luck on your projects.